All right, so you're planning that epic Disneyland trip. It's so exciting, right? But once you've got the tickets locked in, there's always that one huge question that starts to loom. And welcome back to Disneyland Hotel Diaries. This is the Explainer series where, we do all the tough work. We dig through all those reviews, all that data, so you don't have to. We're here to give you the real, honest scoop on the hotels around the resort. Because we all know how it goes. The second the real planning kicks in, you're hit with probably the single biggest and, let's be honest, sometimes the most stressful question of the whole vacation. That's the one. Where do you stay? Choosing your home base can absolutely make or break the entire trip. And today, we're taking a really hard look at a super popular option. Today, we are diving deep into the Anaheim Portofino Inn Suites. So here's the game plan. We're going to start with its biggest claim to fame, the location. Then, we're going to step inside those rooms to see if they actually live up to the pictures. After that, we'll weigh the perks against the quirks, and finally, we'll deliver our verdict to help you decide if this is the right hotel for you and your family. Okay, let's jump right in with the Portofino's #1 selling point: location, location, location. For a Disneyland trip, being close is everything. So, how does this hotel really stack up? Well, get this. Across more than 2,300 reviews, the location scores a massive 4.4 out of 5. That is by far its highest rated feature. And what's really impressive is just how consistent that amazing score is, guest after guest after guest. So why the crazy high score? It's pretty simple, actually. This hotel is literally steps away from the Disneyland Resort entrance. For park-goers, that's basically a golden ticket. But it's also an incredible spot if you happen to be in town for an event at the Anaheim Convention Center, or maybe to catch a game over at Angel Stadium. The AI review summary really nails it when it says the location gets rave reviews for its proximity. So the location is a clear, undeniable win. But, a hotel is more than just its address on a map. So let's shift gears and talk about the part of the experience that really sparks the most debate in all the reviews: the rooms themselves. This quote from a recent guest, Connie V, pretty much sets the stage for this whole conversation. Rooms are not what online photos show. Oof. That right there highlights that classic traveler's dilemma, right? That gap between what you expect and what you actually get. And you can see that dilemma right here in these pictures. On the left, you've got the slick professional photo of a family suite. Looks great. But then on the right, you see a photo a guest took and, well, you can see some cleanliness issues. This is the exact kind of inconsistency people mention over and over again. So let's break down what people are really saying. The word outdated comes up a lot when they describe the decor. Cleanliness gets a very mixed rating, and you hear about inconsistent housekeeping and different maintenance issues. But hey, it's not all bad news. On the plus side, a ton of travelers praise how spacious the rooms are, especially those family-friendly layouts with bunk beds for the kids. That's a huge win. And this all brings us to the core dilemma of the Portofino Inn. It's really that classic Disneyland question, isn't it? Are you looking for a full-on resort experience, or do you just need a park crash pad? So let's lay out the perks versus the quirks and see which category this hotel really falls into. Okay, let's break it down side by side. The perks are crystal clear. That unbeatable location, those great family-friendly suites, and people say the staff is really friendly and helpful. Those are huge wins. But the quirks, they're significant too. You have to weigh all those good things against potentially dated decor, hit-or-miss housekeeping, and even some reports of surprise fees. It is the essential trade-off. Hey, just a quick pause here. If this breakdown is helping you plan your trip, would you mind taking just 1 second to subscribe and like this explainer? It's seriously the best way to support the series and make sure you get more of these honest hotel reviews. All right, we've laid out all the evidence. We've seen the fantastic location, and we've seen the questionable rooms. So what's the bottom line? It's time for the final verdict, and I've got some essential pro tips for you if you do decide to stay here. The Anaheim Portofino is going to be a great fit for you if location is your absolute #1 top-of-the-list priority. If you're a hardcore park hopper who just needs a convenient, safe place to crash at the end of a long day, this place makes a lot of sense. It's also a solid option for families who need the space of a suite without a luxury price tag, and for anyone who just values convenience way more than a modern fancy hotel room. On the flip side, you might want to look elsewhere if outdated decor is something that really bothers you. If the thought of inconsistent cleanliness is a complete deal breaker, this might not be the place for you. If you're looking for that flawless, modern, everything is perfect kind of hotel experience, you'll probably be disappointed. And honestly, if you're not planning to spend most of your time at the parks, then the main perk of this hotel is kind of lost on you.
Now, if you do decide the Portofino is the right fit, here are 3 pro tips to make your stay better. Number 1, set your expectations. Just go in knowing you're booking this place for the location, not for luxury. Number 2, as soon as you get in your room, do a quick sweep and make sure everything is up to your standards. And number 3, communicate. If there is an issue, the reviews say the front desk is friendly and responsive, so they're your best bet for a quick fix.
And that leaves us with the ultimate question, which is really what this whole deep dive boils down to. When it comes to your perfect Disneyland vacation, what do you value most? Is that incredible convenience of being steps from the magic worth the potential compromise on the room quality? The answer to that? Well, that's entirely up to you.